Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to change video resolution and frame rate in camera application on your iPhone. So you can do that directly in camera application. So let's open it. Now let's switch to video mode. And here in the top left, you will see this menu that includes your video resolution and also frame rate. So let's tap on this menu, and here you can switch between HD, 4K for resolution, and also for frames per second you can select 24, 30, 60 or 120. So simply tap on option that you want to automatically apply new changes, new settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.